Welcome to the Middleware Tech YouTube channel. In this series, you'll learn about abstraction in Python. Null code examples used in the videos will be available on GitHub. Let's get started.
Concept of abstract class. So we have to explore some point here. Okay, so first point is that there is an inbuilt abstract class in Python. Inbuilt abstract class. So the name of inbuilt module is there that will support Python abstract class. So in Python by default, it is not possible to provide a particular abstract class, but Python comes with the module which provide the base or defining abstract base class ABC, and that module is said to be as an ABC. So the thing is that Python is providing a abstract class by itself. The name of that abstract class provided inside a module called ABC. The name of that abstract class is ABC itself. So if how I'm going to create, if you remember last day, let me tell you, last day we have created an exception class. What we have done, we have created a user-defined exception class. So how I can create an user-defined exception class? I can create my user-defined exception class. The condition is that my class should extend exception. Then only I can create an user-defined exception class. Same like that, I can create an abstract class in Python like class shape. I want to create this class as an abstract class only when I can create this class as an abstract class only when it will extend one inbuilt abstract class provided by Python inside an ABC module. Name of this abstract class is called ABC. Right? So what is this ABC? Recognizing ABC. What is this? It is an inbuilt abstract class in Python ABC module. So this ABC class is actually defined inside a separate module called ABC. So if you are going to work with that ABC abstract class, then what you have to do, you have to import this ABC abstract class here. It will not be available by default. You have to use from ABC is a module name, import ABC, then only it will work. Okay, fine. First point. So using this, I have, if I'm going to create an abstract class, I have to use this process only. My class, my abstract class should extend ABC. My abstract class should extend ABC class. That we have done. Now, what I want to create a method inside the abstract class. It will be exposed to the customer. I'm not taking the bank application. Take this application. So what I want is that I want to write an method that will be exposed to the customer. So definition area. I want this method self. Let's define this method using something print. If you want to write anything, you can just write That's it. So this is an abstract method that is given inside this abstract class, right? So first point is given. The second point, if I want to add, I can say that we can create a abstract class extending ABC. Fine, that we have done. Extending ABC, we have created an abstract class. This is an abstract class. Still, I have not completed. Still, now it is not abstract class. Third point we have to use is that we, if I now this, can I say this is an abstract method inside my ABC class? No, I can define a method as abstract method when I'll use a particular decorator as @abstract method. Now this method become abstract. So what you have to do, we can define a method as abstract method using @abstract decorator. Okay, so that we have used here. Now it becomes an abstract class that have one abstract method, right? Okay, now what I want to do, I want to create a particular class that will extend this abstract class, and we should override this class inside my derived class. Override, I've not told you, I'll come into that. Now I'm creating here class. Let me create a circle. So I want this circle should extend shape, right? So this is my abstract class. Now what I'm going to do in the abstract class, I've just declared one method. The method that I want to expose to the customer. Those methods only I have given, right? So I want to expose this method to the customer. That's why this method I've given here inside my abstract class. Now I'm just writing some derived class using this abstract class. So one is a circle, is a one type of derived class. Now what I want to do inside this class, I want to override the method area inside my circle class. So div area method I want to override self, right? And what I want to write something that print. I want to use this is a circle area. Fine. So that's it. I've overridden this method area from the abstract class to my class with my own code. Okay. Similarly, I can create another one class, rectangle, that should also extend shape. And what I want to do, define one method. I've overridden this shape method from shape class to my class with my own code. Okay. So self, just write that this is a rectangle method. Fine. Right. Now how I can access this To the customer will be accessible only these abstract class methods. The method that is available in the abstract class that is being given to the customer, right? Now see here. Now see. Let me see this code first. Control C, copy abstract demo. Let's see this code first. File, new file, and okay. Right? Okay. Now if you see, save it, file, save all. Is it okay? You have to save it inside a particular file called abstract demo. .py. And make it abstraction. Okay. So if you're going to define this class, you have to define this class, right? Okay. Now only this is not enough because you have to import that abstract method also. Save it, file, save all. Yes, it's working fine. Now execute. Okay, it's working fine, right? No issues. The point is that here, right? This is my abstract class, right? So I'm creating an object. This abstract class. Let's see. Object of shape. Now see, it's working. What I say, cannot instance an abstract class. That means you cannot get an object of an abstract class. I'm getting an object of abstract class, right? That means we cannot create an object of an abstract class. So we got another one point. Cannot create an object of abstract class. Fine. Now, if you see here, right? Now, so what I can do it is that I can get a reference for an abstract class only. So what I can do here, I cannot get an object or shape. Then what I can do, I can get an object of circle, right? So R assume equal to circle, and when you get object of circle, then I can call a method that is defined inside the circle using R dot area. Similarly, I can get an object for rectangle, and similarly I can use R dot area. Just execute circle area, the rectangle area, right? So what I want to say is that if I cannot, so we always create an abstract class because for those methods I want to expose to the customer. Using those method declaration, I should write inside my abstract class so that customer can access those methods and fire or call to implement some functionality. So, so exposing those functionality to the customer is called abstraction, and that we always done with the hello abstract class, right? So we can add another one point. We expose all the functionality using abstract class to the customer. We expose all the function to the customer or external application using abstract class. And this is a good example, the example that we have done. Right, so you can try one example like this in your system and check how it is working. I've not given this this code. You can add also. And try this code, complete code that we have. It's a good example to talk about. For any particular case study application, always top level class you always defined as an abstract class, so that it's a reference you can send to the client, and client can access that particular functionality in this abstract class implementation. Right? Okay. Now here, and that. So if you see this example I've given using abstract class, you can implement the concept of abstraction, and it remember these things, and that we are talking about here.